tumblers and a tea kettle. Let's get into it with the runner first. This runner is 72 inches long. It's a combo material of PVC and poly. What that means is you can absolutely use it indoors and outdoors, and you can hose it clean. I want to hold up and show. We started the show with 3,000 of these runners. We have 1,300 remaining, and 3 colors sold out in this show. This is your garden choice. We have 600 remaining in garden, okay? Little hummingbird, little dragonfly, little ladybug, little fun spring colors. We still have 300 remaining in the blue. We have 300 in confetti. And we have 5 dozen in patriotic, and that is it. It's $11.22. What? Okay, remember when we thought $18.71 was a good price? Now I'm going Red Fox on it because it's $11.22. Okay, and it's on free shipping. Just get it. Here's the deal. I want to, Jack, if I could, I'm going to hold still. Can you get all up in the back of this one's business? Because I want to show this is PVC and poly. This is absolutely hose down clean. You're at the barbecue, right? You took this and you put it down the center of the table, and now somebody got ketchup, somebody went ham, and they turned the mustard into finger paint. We don't know what happened, but you can hose it clean. The beautiful thing about this one too is it rolls up like a champ. Watch this. When I have it on the countertop like so, you can take it, get it started, and then roll it this way. So now you can tuck it into the cooler for the barbecue. You can tuck it into your bag. You could tuck it into anywhere that you keep your barbecue tools, because that is all that you have to store, right? Beautiful. And then when it's time, et voila, you get all of the beauty. And I loved Lisa's suggestion earlier in the show. Pick up more than one, and you could use it as placemats on either side of the table, right? $11.22. If your food doesn't look good on this runner, I'm sorry, we can't help you. It's on free shipping, and it's $11.22. This is the garden choice that you're seeing on your screen right now. There are 550 remaining. In the blue, there's fewer than 300 remaining. In the confetti, there are fewer than 300. And in the patriotic, we have 3 dozen. Woo! There is no reorder, more than 6 feet long, 1 foot wide. Complete the table. Look, the free shipping's gone at the end of the day. There is no reorder. Let's get into